As I Hear the Rain by Douglas Weed. As I hear the rain pitter-patting on the glass like tiny tap dancers with their shiny, steel-tipped black shoes, I hum a little tune and wander through the greenhouse, tending the vegetables growing in piles of dirt, collected within plain, unornamented brown pots. She had never understood my fascination with the smell of dirt and fertilizer, trapped in rows of rotting wooden benches. Rain streaks, the neglected face glaring coldly from the kitchen window as I move to protect the tomatoes from the frost that is sure to come during the night.